Hey guys, welcome back to Fish Tucker Man. I haven't posted a vid for a while. I've just been so busy with family and work and whatever it is, and I just haven't had the chance to sit down and actually, like, for a couple of hours to edit the video. Even though I've been going fishing like a few times, I've got a couple of episodes up and going. In fact, at the moment I'm actually taping a cook up. I'll give you a quick spill. Anyway, so just the update, and people also like my garden, so I want to show you. I've got an assortment of veggies, winter crop, broccoli, silver beet, heaps of bok choy right here. They come out really nice. I've still got some capsicums, more of this Italian stuff, verdura broccoletti. It's just starting to come up, not quite ready yet. Some salads, broccoli, they're coming up really big, so I can't wait to get some broccoli into me right here. Chilies are still going pretty ballistic. Look at that. You can't go wrong with that. And some more broccoletti, some silver beet, zucchinis, they're coming up pretty good, even though it's been wet and rainy. There's a nice one right there. A few other assortments of salad and whatnot. But yeah, look, I do apologise. I know people expect me to post vids, and some people are texting me saying, "Dom, are you okay?" All good, just my time. But anyway, so I thought I'd do this quick vid. So keep in touch with you guys. I appreciate it. Keep subscribing, keep liking, and if you're lucky, we'll contact for future stuff. Share it amongst your friends and family. And I better get back into my cooking. I might give you a bit of a spill later on how it comes up. I think it's coming up pretty good. In the coffee. Right, so as I said, I'll give you a quick sneak peek. I'm drinking my beer with class. It's a special day today. Le Vongler. Anyway, so this is the sneak peek. Good, really good. Sorry for the spoiler alert, but you know how it's going. See you on the next vid. Keep at it, take it easy. Thanks, Mum. You enjoy it?
Yes, come too. You can have some.
There's not much left though.